Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use water heating mode on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. The water cooking mode is designed only for water, but it can cook your water very quickly. It can boil your water very quickly by going to modes and heat water. You can now just press on start, and that is basically it. You should scale the water before you start, so you should just put the water in, then scale it, and then exit, and then you can start. And make sure to put the measuring cup on top of the lid to prevent splashes. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.